Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at a pace we've never seen before. From the way we work to how we connect, AI is reshaping every industry, opening doors that were once closed to most people. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech expert or a computer scientist to join in. Everyday people, just like you, are discovering how accessible this revolution really is. This is the new gold rush, a once-in-a-generation opportunity open to anyone who's ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and build real financial freedom on their own terms. The barriers that used to hold people back are disappearing. Forget about huge startup costs, years of experience, or fancy degrees. You don't need to risk your savings or go back to school. All you need is curiosity, determination, and a willingness to learn. AI has truly leveled the playing field, making it possible for anyone, no matter their background, to launch a profitable online business in a single weekend. The tools are out there, waiting for you to take advantage. I've personally helped over 55,000 people tap into this incredible opportunity, and I know you can do it too. People from all walks of life are seeing real results. You don't have to build AI from scratch. Just use powerful, pre-built tools to create content, graphics, videos, and even an AI version of yourself. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is more user-friendly than ever. People everywhere are quitting their jobs, starting side hustles, and achieving true freedom with simple AI-powered businesses. Imagine what your life could look like if you took the leap. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact process to launch your own AI business in just 48 hours. You'll get step-by-step instructions, practical tips, and real-world examples to help you succeed. The future is here, and it's waiting for you. It's time to claim your piece of this new frontier and start building the life you've always wanted. Your first step is choosing what your AI business will do. This is the foundation for everything that follows. Take a moment to think about your interests, your skills, and the problems you see in the world that AI could help solve. The possibilities are endless, but clarity at this stage will make your journey smoother. There are 3 main paths you can take. You might offer an AI-powered service, like automating tasks for clients or providing smart solutions. Or you could create a digital product, something people can buy and use online, powered by AI. The third option is to resell a proven AI product, giving you instant results without starting from scratch. Each path has its own advantages, so consider what excites you most and what fits your strengths. Remember, you can always pivot as you learn more. Next, gather your toolkit. Start with ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming ideas, Midjourney for creating stunning visuals and graphics, and AI video generators for producing engaging content quickly and efficiently. These tools can help you create everything from marketing materials to full digital products. The best part? These tools are affordable, often free, and they automate the hardest parts of running a business, saving you time and energy so you can focus on growth. Don't get stuck searching for the perfect idea. Start quickly, experiment, and adapt as you go. Progress is more important than perfection, especially in the fast-moving world of AI. The AI Freedom Launchpad gives you a step-by-step blueprint and the exact tools you need to master, so you're never left guessing what to do next. Your mission is simple. Pick a direction that excites you, get familiar with a few key AI tools that will power your business, and get ready to build something meaningful from the ground up. Remember, action beats perfection at this stage. Take that first step and let's move forward together. Now build your 24/7 employee, your AI clone. With a short video, AI platforms create a hyper-realistic avatar that speaks in your voice and style. Your AI twin can make videos, teach, and sell for you. No more being tied to the camera. While you sleep or travel, your AI clone works, generating leads and sales. Next, use AI to batch a month's worth of content in just 30 minutes. Ideas, scripts, videos, and posts, all automated. This system turns you into a prolific creator and builds your audience on autopilot. The AI Freedom Launchpad gives you the prompts and workflows to make this foolproof. Your content machine is now open for business. With your content ready, you're now at the exciting stage of turning your ideas into real income. This is where your journey as a digital entrepreneur truly begins. Use AI tools to quickly create a digital product, like an ebook, a step-by-step guide, or even a full online course. What used to take weeks or months can now be done in just a few hours, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer. AI can help you brainstorm, outline, and polish your product, making the process smooth and accessible for anyone. Or, if you want the fastest possible results, consider using master resale rights. This lets you get a proven, high-quality product instantly, so you can start selling right away and skip the creation phase entirely. With resale rights, you keep 100% of the profit from every sale, maximizing your earnings from day one. Funnel Freedom provides you with a ready-made sales funnel that takes care of everything: processing payments, delivering your product, and tracking your sales automatically. Your main focus is simple: drive traffic to your sales link using the AI-generated content you've already created. Share it on social media, email, or any platform where your audience hangs out. There's no need to stress about customer support or technical issues. Everything is managed for you so you can focus on growing your business. This streamlined system is the fastest way to make your first online sale and start building consistent passive income, even if you're brand new to online business. You're not just learning about AI, you're launching your own AI-powered business. Let's take the next step and get you started on your journey to success. You now have the blueprint to launch your AI business in 48 hours. The opportunity is real, the tools are accessible, and the demand is exploding. Imagine waking up to sales made while you sleep, working from anywhere, and having true freedom. Financial freedom is about choices, and this is your chance to create them. Don't wait for perfection. Take the first step, even if you only have an hour a day. The AI Freedom Launchpad guides you every step of the way. Click the link, join us, and let's launch your business this weekend. Your journey to freedom starts now.